Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best New England clam chowder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh clams or 2 5-ounce cans of chopped clams. Also, prepare 4 slices of thick-cut bacon, 1 large onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 cups of heavy cream. These foundational elements are crucial for achieving that authentic, rich flavor profile. Begin by rendering the 4 slices of bacon in a large pot over medium heat until they are perfectly crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pot. Next, add 1 cup of diced onion and 2 stalks of finely chopped celery, sautéing them until softened. Stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Slowly whisk in 3 cups of clam juice and 1 cup of whole milk, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then add 2 cups of peeled and diced potatoes. Cook until the potatoes are tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Finally, stir in your cooked clams and the 2 cups of heavy cream, heating through without boiling. To finish, season your chowder generously with salt and white pepper to taste. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and the reserved crispy bacon bits. Serve this delicious New England clam chowder hot, accompanied by oyster crackers or a slice of crusty bread. It's the perfect comforting meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.